One. Good morning guys, and welcome back in the series of this video tutorial. Here we are going to discuss internet services, and this is part 2 of terminology. Yesterday in the last video we have discussed about website, web portal, then web page, home page. In this video series we are going to discuss about URL and DNS. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. DNS, Domain Naming System. These are the two different words but used simultaneously while making website or web page. Just talking about URL, it's a unique address of a web page. Means if I'm going to type HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, www World Wide Web, google.com. While typing this link, what will happen? We will move to a unique page on which you are going to have a search box followed by Google at top, and here will be a search button. You will type your data, whatever the data you want to search, you are going to type here, and directly you are going to press enter or search button. By clicking this, you will get again a web page in which multiple data links will be there, and you can select any of the data. Have you ever seen at the top we used to get a link option in which certain amount of links used to run just like this, and random links used to take place. These particular links which is present at the top of the search box where we used to write the search things are known as URL, Uniform Resource Locator, or you can say a unique address of a particular page. Now how this URL come? For giving a URL to any page, we have a system which is known as DNS. Means randomly we cannot give any of the URL to any of the particular web page. For that we need a proper DNS system. Let me give you an example of two URL which is written over here, http google.com. By writing this URL you will directly move to Google search engine page, and if you write http www.google.com/gmail/inbox, it means this particular web page is going to take you for the Google Gmail inbox page, whatever the inbox you have logged in. Such like you can move to any of the website. If you are moving to Amazon, if you are writing www.amazon.com/home, that will be your home page of your Amazon. If you are writing www.amazon.com/men's, it means you are going to men's section to purchase anything, and vice versa. You can work with the URL. Now moving towards DNS. DNS will let you know that how these URL been designed and how this URL the user used to use the URL. This DNS stand for Domain Naming System, means domain. What is this domain stand for? Domain name is also known as the name, or you can say unique name of a website. The domain name is also known as unique name of a website. Let me tell you with this example here. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a protocol, means a rule. As already we have discussed, protocols are also known as set of rules or instructions. www, it is a service given by, let me make you more clear here, this side. HTTP www google.com. Here HTTP stand for protocol or rules on which the data is going to be transferred. Basically we use two protocols here, that is HTTP or HTTPS. Sometimes you have also seen that it can be written FTP and the link. Whenever you are going to get this kind of data FTP, it means you are going to share any of the data. While sharing your file on Xender or share it, you have found this protocol FTP / and your link. This particular link occurs whenever you are going to transmit the data with ShareIt, Xender or any transmission source material. But basically, while transferring the data on internet, basically we used to get two types of protocol, that is HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and S stand for Services or Security. Means whenever you're going to get any of the login page, let's suppose if you're opening your Gmail account, then there you will get a login page in which a user ID or password and login button will be there. Whenever you're going to visit any of the web page in which some login detail is required, at that place your URL will change to HTTPS. It means you are going to work with the security or services. So here you will get HTTPS for the safety purposes. The rest, if you are not on any web page where security is required, there you will get a basic HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So this is the protocol. This www is also known as service, which is being provided by internet. www is not an internet, it is a service which is being provided from internet. Now this Google, this is the name of a website. This is Google is name of a website. This particular is known as domain. Any website, if you are going to take an example of www.amazon.com, that Amazon is the name of a website. If you are going to take a name of www.pehalagadam.com, so in that it is the name of a website. Now .com, this .com, .in, .org, let me write it here properly. This is known as suffix. Suffix, or you can say extension, means .com, .org, .nic, .in, .uk, .co.in, .edu, and many more. .com means whenever you are going to make a commercial site in which you are going to sell or purchase a thing, you are going to use .com. .org means any organization site. If you are making any organization site, then you are going to use www.google.org. It means organization site. National site, Indian site, American site, any site if you are going to make, you are going to use the proper suffix for that. Now a DNS. In this DNS, the few things used to come first: protocol. Second, which service it is going to use. Third, the domain name. The domain name should be registered from any registered organization or the country, and then a proper suffix. This particular DNS means this complete set of URL make a DNS, and by this DNS you can make a URL. So in the next video lecture we are going to have some more discussion about some terminologies. Till then, thank you, stay safe.